combo drive, as you can see here. So you start disconnecting these cables. You disconnect them properly so that you may not, make sure that you are not injuring other components. So this that's the screws here. So you make sure you remove the screws very carefully. So on this combo drive, this is where you can place your CD, you can place your headphones or earphones. If you want to listen to some music, you can listen over here, you can control it. So let us remove it. I want to show you how to remove it. So you start by removing this screws on this side, and then on the other side you remove this one. You can't push it inside, you will push it outside. So push it gently to the other side. Yeah, so this is the combo drive, as you can see here. So you can place your headphones here, you can place your CD over here, and then it's okay. So let us return it, let us install it. So using the same rule, you use it to return it. Make sure that you fix these holes very properly. So let us close it very tightly to ensure that it is not shaking. Alright, that is good. Let us close the other screw. Close it very tightly, and then you can return the cables. And then we are done. So we can cut the cover. So this is the outer cover. There.